If your paragraph in Microsoft Word is sitting too close to the left margin, or you just want to give it a cleaner, more polished look, this video is going to help. Today, I'll show you how to move a paragraph away from the margin in Word in just a few seconds, using a simple built-in tool that works great for reports, documents, essays, and any kind of formatted text. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick word tips and easy computer tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and find the paragraph you want to move. This can be one paragraph or several paragraphs at the same time. To do that, click and drag over the text to highlight it. If you want to move just one paragraph, make sure the whole paragraph is selected. If you want to move multiple paragraphs together, highlight all of them before making any changes. Selecting the text first is important because Word will only apply the formatting change to the selected section. Once the paragraph is selected, look at the top of Word and go to the Home tab. This is where most of the basic formatting tools are located. In the Home tab, find the paragraph group. This section includes tools for alignment, spacing, bullets, numbering, and indentation. What you want to use here is the Increase Indent button. This icon usually looks like a small horizontal line with an arrow pointing to the right, and it moves your paragraph farther away from the margin. Click the Increase Indent icon once to move the paragraph slightly to the right. If that is not enough, you can click it again and to move it even farther away from the margin. Each click adds more indentation, so you can keep adjusting until the paragraph sits exactly where you want it. This is a very quick way to create space on the left side of your text without manually adding spaces, which can make formatting messy and inconsistent. If you want more control, you can also use the ruler in Word, but for most people, the Increase Indent button is the fastest and easiest method. It is especially useful when you need to format a paragraph neatly and keep everything aligned across the document. This works well for quotations, examples, notes, and any content that needs to stand out from the rest of the page. After adjusting the indentation, take a moment to review the paragraph and make sure it looks right. If it moved too far, you can reduce the indent using the opposite button next to Increase Indent, or simply adjust it again until it looks balanced. The goal is to create a clean gap between the paragraph and the margin so your document looks more professional and easier to read. And that's it. You've now moved the paragraph away from the margin in Word. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple Word tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.